another episode of this revamping series. By now, you all should already know what we are doing in this series. Yes, we are revamping different kind of wigs, and if you watch the series from the beginning till the end, you'll be able to revamp any kind of wig at all. Trust me, you'll be able to revamp any kind of wig. And in this video, this is the wig we'll be working on. So let's dive into this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Alright, let's get started. By now, if you're following this series, this episode, you should know what we are doing here. But if this is your first video in this series, then I'm going to explain to you all over and all over again. I'll keep explaining until everybody gets this. So what we are doing here is you put your dishwashing soap, yes, that soap you used to wash your dish, put it in a bowl, in any kind of bowl, in your sink, anywhere that you want to wash your hair. Then add hot water, hot boiling water. That is what we need, a hot boiling water. Then you soak it in there till the water is cooled down. It is totally cooled down. By then you remove it and you can see how dirty the water is. What does that do? The dishwasher helps to remove stubborn oily substance on the hair. All stubborn dirt, everything, the dishwasher is going to remove it. And what does the hot water do? The hot water will help to disinfect your wig or your client's wig. The hot water is going to help to bring down the texture, to calm the texture of the hair. And it also allows the dishwasher to bring out all the dirt, all the stubborn oily dirt on the wig. Do you understand? So right here, it is very important to soak your wig in the hot water first before going into proper washing with your conditioner and your shampoo. So after that, you rinse it multiple times until the hair is totally clean at first. Then you go in with shampoo, your regular shampoo, not just any old shampoo, your revamping shampoo. You go in with the shampoo, you wash again, wash till it is totally clean, and you rinse again till it is totally clean. Do you understand? After that, you take your revamping shampoo. Okay, I guess that some people use just one shampoo, but as for me, I use two different shampoo. There's a nutritional shampoo and there's a normal revamping shampoo that I use. So after using my normal revamping shampoo, I go in with my nutritional shampoo. It contains a lot of nutrition, vitamins, and it also condition your hair. It shampoos your hair, it condition, it do everything. I just wash it and put it in the soap for some minutes. Just let the hair sit there, let the vitamin, the nutrient, let it enter the hair. Just let it sit there for some minutes. Then you bring it out after some minutes. You wash it thoroughly. You rinse it rather. Yeah, you rinse it thoroughly. You rinse it. Make sure it is super clean. There is no soap on it. And then we are going to go into our conditioning mixture. In the making of this conditioning mixture, we have our keratin treatment milk. We have other things which you'll be seeing in this video. And this conditioning mixture is not just for your wig, it's not just for revamping. You can use it for your natural hair. It is very good. The usefulness is very versatile. Honestly, this conditioning mix is all you need to revive your hair, to strengthen your hair, your wig, your natural hair or wig. It doesn't really have to be one thing. You can use it on any kind of hair or wig. So when you mix all these things together, you are putting in together different powerful and very useful ingredients for your hair that will help revive, that will help neutralize, that will help vitalize your hair, different vitamin, different nutrition for your hair. And all these are very perfect, no side effect on your hair at all. So when you're done mixing, what you're going to do is you apply generously. I emphasize on the word generously. You apply generously on your hair or your wig. Make sure you're generous with it. Do not be stingy with your product. Please make sure you're generous with it. The only thing that can allow both of us to have a fight is when you're not generous with your product. You need to be generous with your product because that is what is going to bring back your hair. Not that styling you want to go and do. The styling is also part of it, but this is the base. The base is the main key. If the base is not well done, then your styling, you just style the hair to look good. Then when your client or you wear the hair for just maybe 2-3 times, then it's back to the way it was looking before. But when the base is good, even you can wear the hair for as long as when you bought it new. Exactly. So you need your base to be very, very good. So after applying generously, you take your wide tooth comb, you comb the hair from the tip to the top, from the tip to the top. You comb it gently. Do not mind the fastness of this video, but in real time, I was really, really gentle with this hair. And after combing it through, you should be able to get a silk smooth look like this. If it's not like this, then you are not generous with your product. So after that, you take a Ziploc bag. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can use it. If you don't, you can use a nylon like this. I was out of a Ziploc bag. That was why I used that nylon. Then after that, you keep it in the nylon for like 8 hours. If you're doing this at night, it is perfect. You just leave it there overnight. Then the next morning, you continue. After that, you put it in the water. That's the next morning or after 8 hours, you put it in the water. So I have a lot of work to work on. So I have to put everything together in this sink. So after that, you leave it there in the water for about another 8 hours. Let it just sit there, let the hair relax. So leave it there for about 8 hours. Then after 8 hours, you are going to hair dry it. Hair dry, emphasis of hair dry, not blow dry. You're not using any hot thing to dry. Just let it dry naturally. Just hang it somewhere. Let it dry naturally. If it takes 2 days, if it takes 3 days to dry, just let it dry naturally, and you're going to see the difference. So after drying naturally, this is what the wig is looking like. Just take a look at what this hair is looking like compared to how we started. And then we are going to move to the next phase, which is the styling phase. So this is all about this episode. See you on the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.